Dreaming of driving a luxury car but worried about the price tag? What if I told you that owning a sleek, high-performance car is more affordable than you think? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the top affordable luxury cars that are perfect for young professionals just like you. When we think of luxury cars, we often imagine sky-high prices and exclusive lifestyles. But the truth is, there are plenty of luxury cars out there that offer premium features without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore the best affordable luxury cars for young professionals that combine style, comfort, and performance. Why young professionals need affordable luxury cars. As a young professional, you're building your career and shaping your future. An affordable luxury car not only makes a statement but also provides the reliability and comfort you need in your busy life. Imagine pulling up to your next meeting or event in a car that turns heads without draining your bank account. What makes a car affordable luxury? Affordable luxury cars offer a balance between premium features and reasonable pricing. Think of high-end interiors, advanced tech, and smooth driving, all without the hefty price tag of a supercar. Let's break down the top picks that fit this category. The Audi A3 is a compact sedan that's big on luxury. With its refined interior, intuitive infotainment system, and sporty performance, it's perfect for navigating urban streets or hitting the open road. Starting at just around $35,000, it's a fantastic entry point into the world of luxury. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe offers the iconic BMW driving experience in a compact and affordable package. Its stylish design and dynamic handling make it a favorite among young professionals. Prices start at approximately $38,000. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a true standout with its stunning interior and cutting-edge technology. It's sleek, modern, and starts at around $37,000, making it a luxurious yet budget-friendly choice. Genesis might be a newer name in the luxury market, but the G70 delivers incredible value. It's sporty, stylish, and loaded with features, all starting at about $40,000. The Acura TLX combines reliability with luxury, offering an elegant design and advanced safety features. It's priced starting at $40,000 and is a great option for those seeking long-term value. Owning a luxury car doesn't have to be just a dream. With these affordable options, you can enjoy the comfort, style, and performance of a high-end vehicle without overspending. So, which of these cars is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into making your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.